To fix a Verizon router blinking blue, it is essential to understand the issue and the possible causes. The blinking blue light on a Verizon router typically indicates a problem with the device's connection to the internet or its internal software. Step 1 is to restart the router, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple step can resolve the blinking blue light issue if it was caused by a minor glitch or software bug. If restarting the router does not solve the problem, check the physical connections of the device. Ensure all cables are securely connected to the correct ports and that there are no signs of damage. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues, leading to the blinking blue light. The next step is to check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause problems with the router's performance and lead to the blinking blue light. Log in to the router's web interface, typically by typing its IP address in a web browser, and look for the firmware update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware to the latest version. Another possible cause of the blinking blue light is interference from other devices. Try moving the router to a central location, away from other electronic devices, to minimize interference. Additionally, change the Wi-Fi channel on the router to one that is less crowded, as this can also help to resolve connectivity issues. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the router to its factory settings. This will erase all customized settings, so it is essential to back up any important data before doing so. To reset the router, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Then release it. The router will restart, and the blinking blue light should be resolved. In some cases, the blinking blue light may indicate a more severe issue with the router, such as a hardware problem. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Verizon support for further assistance or to replace the router. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Verizon router blinking blue issue and restore a stable internet connection. Remember to always check the physical connections, update the firmware, and minimize interference to prevent future issues.